Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice and I'm back with another video. In today's video, if you see me in the same shirts, yes, it is the same day. But I'm filming this because I got a package. Now it's raining cats and dogs outside, and it's also we on flood watch and everything like that, so I did not expect for the mail people to be running, but I got a package, so I guess they are delivering. I just got a package, I just got a package, I just got a package, wonder who it's from. Okay, no, so I already unboxed it and everything like that, and I also already used it, so here we go. This is the Braid Luxe 48 hours maximum hold. So what I did was I had my mom do 2 braids on my hair so I could do my edges. Okay, bam. So these are the edges. This one got messed up obviously because yeah, but other than that, they're not moving. Okay, so this is the one that I used. Ooh, colorful. Yes ma'am. So let's read what it says. It says 48 hours maximum rock and lock hold, no flaking. Okay, it is a 7 hold, cherry scent rice water for all hair types, natural ingredients, paraben free, sulfate free, and phthalate free, animal testing free. The ingredients, they don't have one ingredient that I don't use, so I love that. And yeah, it's like a clear consistency. Okay. So I'm gonna redo my sideburns because my sideburns always get messed up whenever I have my scarf on. It's because they're like left out. Like this sideburn is very, very long, so it gets left out of my scarf a lot. Same with this one, it's not as long, but yeah, bam. I really like this product. Feels really good. The smell, ooh, I'm not tripping. Yeah, it's like it didn't need to be scented, you know what I mean? But pretty good, pretty good. And this can be used for braids, locks, twists, ponytails, and edges. Well, this one doesn't say. This one doesn't say that, but this one does. So you see it says braids, locks, twists, ponytails, and edges. This one doesn't have that same thing, so who knows. But yeah, so this one says natural holding, shining, sealing, and conditioning, braids, locks, twists, ponytails, and edges. Ingredients, pretty cool. And it also says store below 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 30 degrees Celsius. Formulated in the USA. Professional salon use. I ain't a professional, but don't tell nobody that. Now this one has a 6 hold instead of a 7. And this one has a 7 hold. And I'm guessing, I like the way this one smells better. This one smells better, and ignore that I dug my nail in there on accident. I love the way my camera focuses. This is my phone actually, by the way. I love the way my phone focuses. I love that. But yeah, so we're gonna test these out, try these out. I'm supposed to be getting my hair braided by my mommy. Yeah, I'm supposed to be getting my hair braided by my mommy, and I'm gonna have her use one of these. But I love this. And this is by Touchdown. They're always making good edge controls. So yeah, my mom actually uses the gold top. So yeah, I mess with this. I hate edge controls that flake on me. No ma'am. So all right, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. I will most likely probably do tutorials on TikTok of these edge controls. I'll do one on here too, but I will most likely do more on my TikTok. And yeah, follow me on TikTok, Kyla Latrice 98. We just hit 30K a couple of days ago. So yeah, be a part of my family on TikTok, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.